If you think the run in Bitcoin is coming to an end, you're absolutely out of your mind. Over the past 6 months, we've really been pushing crypto. We have a crypto intelligence product. People have been doing very, very well on it. And we talked about the halving. Everyone's talking about the halving now. Bitcoin has gone up. We were saying that 6 months ago. And we call this a super halving because 2 years after each halving, we always see this crypto winter, a crash, because demand kind of wanes, right? Just sells off. So you cut supply growth in half, that's going to raise prices. And then after 2 years, there's really no demand again, called like a crypto winter. That crypto winter is no longer going to happen. We're going to see a secular bull run when it comes to Bitcoin, because now you have all these catalysts, the ETFs, constant money coming in. You're going to see Michael Saylor constantly buying Bitcoin. About 6 months from now, you're going to talk about Ethereum ETFs getting approved. They're going to get approved definitely by the end of this year, probably more in August. After that, you're going to see a whole new wave of ETFs, all kinds of crypto ETFs getting approved, but you're going to have this constant news flow that you didn't have in past cycles. And this is why we've been so bullish. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. You want to go where the puck is going. Okay, and that's what we did 6 months ago. Got to buy Bitcoin, right? 16, 17, 18,000. Everyone's buying Bitcoin now. You're not going to be rich buying Bitcoin unless you're going to put hundreds of thousands of dollars into it. I think it's going to go well over 100,000. You're going to make the big money because what we see is when Bitcoin goes higher, the rest of the crypto market outperforms them. They even outperform over the 18-month period after each halving by a margin of 3 to 1. So if you strip out Bitcoin, the crypto market outperforms Bitcoin by 3 to 1. And we're seeing that. We just recommended 5 recommendations. This was February 7th to new subscribers. They're up an average of 50% each in a month. We just recommended a new stock, which is a new crypto, which is amazing because it's one of the only cryptos I know that has a halving. I thought Bitcoin was the only one that had a halving. And this is an AI data cloud play. Really good name, backed by heavy hitters like Bain Capital, Pantera Capital, also Anderson Horowitz. So the names that I'm seeing and the technologies that you're going to see develop over the months, over the years ahead within crypto are going to disrupt everything within the financial industry, especially AI. When it comes to open source, you want to see where the real AI is, go to crypto. It really is amazing. So guys, if you want to make money in crypto, yes, you want to own Bitcoin. Yes, you want to own Ethereum. If you want to be absolutely rich, you want to buy the next phase of those technologies and those cryptos that are going to come out, that are existing right now, that have small market caps. There's a market that you can get in early. You can't do that with the rest of the stock market because these idiots inflate the prices of IPOs where they're trading at 30, 40 times sales and multi-billion-dollar valuations before investors like you and me can even buy them. In crypto, you could buy right on the ground floor, not cherry picking. You can go to the top 100 cryptocurrencies and all of them have seen gains of 10x, 20x, 100x. That's the next phase of growth. If you want to get in it, that's what you do. On Bitcoin, Ethereum, but make sure you're following someone that knows their shit when it comes to buying those altcoins, because there's a lot of good technologies out there. I think this market is going to soar for a very, very long time.